with the following components, which give you a complete solution to your auscultation training. Once you unbox your SimShirt, you'll find the following: the SimShirt garment, which is washable and allows you to auscultate at anatomically correct sites. SimScope stethoscope, which comes with the black carry case. Dell tablet with pre-installed software. 7 sets of 15 patches, which are to be placed either on mannequins or standardized patients. Router. And a product manual, which is also available online. If you're interested in finding out more about SimShirt or any other auscultation training solutions by Cardionics, please visit our website or contact your local sales representative. Thank you.